Thank you for joining Amokwe TV live update. We are here live at Michael Okpara Square, Enugu, where they are welcoming the champions of Nigerian League, which is Rangers International FC of Enugu. The celebration is going on. They are already here in Enugu. They are back. So if it's in Independence Loud, it's very easy to locate. Just stop at Okpara Square bus stop. You can get it very close to WAEC and opposite Enugu State Assembly. People are trooping in. Men, women, young girls, young guys that are coming to cheer Rangers up. Girigiri bu gweze keshi weku. So that girigiri bu gweze anya ka actually metata. Make sure you be at Okpara Square. When you be at Okpara Square, make sure you share the video. Because other people fear. And then anywhere all over the world can fear. So this is the decoration for the welcome party. Man, I sure now welcome on there. Everywhere Juju. Everywhere Juju. Now you're gonna find guests have to go down. Work at the shop. Enugu were work at the shop, so make sure you are in Okpara Square. That's what I have to let you know. Because you know aside there, if you can march, I'll be steady, and I'll be every minute, every second. So if you see this video, you are in Enugu. Start coming to Okpara Square. Girigiri bu gwezi ya chobuka Okpara Square ka any one space ebe high na acho. Achoro ka enwe space here. Ndị mara abịago kwa ina anya fune enwego ndị bịara already. People are abịago here. So achoro ka space dị ebe a. Ọ na ha bata enwe low morale, enwere ndị na welcome ha, enwere noise and everything na ha na abata. Man interesting, man makes sense. So I'm going to go 40 as one love, and make it on that 042 spirit. Make sure I make it beat. Make sure I make it beat here. Okay, I'm gonna be an ogre. Tubo akwaba aka achọrọ mgbe a na-akwa aka bịa ompa kere na-agwa ụmụ Enugu
Department of Water Resources.
Yes,
Our Commissioner for Water Resources.
So kere na-agwa ndị Enugu ha kwaratawa
Ndị Enugu kambakwu na ọ bụ na apụtara so many things are involved. I work with fridge, I work with my indomie, my rice, my scholarship again,
ma abacha
my even my water, my ma jina abubo.
Yes.
Even my apple of egusi.
So how about that?
Now for you. I will
confirm. But I wish Rangers all the best. Please share this video. Make sure you share this video. One day, keke shakwado keke na agwu mu Enugu.
Oya obona bo onye Igbo, oboso Sunday Enugu. Mara tata bosi akara aka.
Yes.
Tata Rangers Day. The Governor declared that at Rangers Day. In all the years. Meanwhile, I'm major smooth.
So you make people encourage how about Okpara Square?
The one Okpara Square. 5 p.m. You know if you have the money to go do.
About 4:30, and they are new Rangers have to go down. So have you before the time?
I want all.
Yes. Yes. Confirm.
So go and stream my new song, Up Rangers FC.
Confirm.
On all digital platforms.
Confirm.
Don't forget to always watch Amokwe TV.
Dalo. So in Anya, if we're going to be and we're going to be already. So many people, I can acquire many people here. I can acquire many people. And then we have to go down here. Because only shine again. Kwagoda ya afa gị gwa ka esi akwado ihe a na-eme ebe a taa na ihe na-agwa ndị Enugu Yes. 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 Maka on South East game with the Rangers. Yes. Dalu ya barage. Oge na moko TV na-ekwu. Dalu no. Daddy anyị na-ekene kwe gị. Biko gwa anyị afa gị, gwa anyị ka obi dị gị na ihe a mere na Enugu ndị Rangers tụrụ ugo.
My name is Francis, former Rangers player.
Okay. Yes. Thank you. So what do you have to tell Enugu people and the Southeast in general and Ndigbo?
More encouragement, more support. Rangers can still do more. We are going in for the African Cup next year. And we sincerely hope we got the cup, because from my own set we had the cup.
Very good. Thank you, sir. So if you are here in Enugu, make sure you come down to Enugu Stadium. Ebu n'oge ndị mmadụ abịabago n'anya ifu na ndị mmadụ atụgo down, so echewene ka ọ kụọ 5 before bịa here. People are to go down here. Ndị mmadụ na ebe a daalụ. So ka ị na-agwa guys Enugu na ụmụaka Enugu ha gbaratawa ka ọ gịnị? Yes. Confirm. Ọnwa 042. Ọnwa the slants. So ka ị na-agwa ụmụ 042. Yes. Confirm. Dalun. People karịrị ebe a ma njụcha onye ọbụla ajụjụ, so ya anyị na-agwụ n'ubu inwetere video a share nya make sure na ọ ga viral. Ejike kwa anyị na-ekene gị. Rangers never say die. Mana ihe anyị chọrọ bụ anyị na-abịa ọbụna Rangers na-abata ebe a by 4. And about that field and if I'm on your hand, I try now you share one video because onye na about this thing can on your wall. I'm marry her name. You better go. The way she ginger and the way she push her game. And I can support us na abata with boss. I couldn't afia. On afia. On me if you know me life. Nah. On my life, comment, like and share. These are the ways you can give us support. Supporters of Rangers now to down. Tell us where you are joining us from. Tell us where you are. Anywhere you're joining over the world, let us know. Make I might be share so around.
Thank you very much. I'm not going to go quite enough. And a lot of things in me, man. So thank you for dedicating your time, money, and strength to make sure that this arrival is successful and smooth. I have from some enticing photos from the airport. You know, I couldn't come. I'm about for 2 days. ịma asụ onye pụrụ apụ pụrụ ịnọ n'ụlọ n'ọlụ onye pụrụ apụ ọkụ ya ife ga-eme ebe a you are going to be impressed ka anyị na-ekpe ekpere ka mmiri apụ ịda enwe nke ndị enyi mba je hara anyị mmiri so thank you very much and special thanks to our dear governor ya nwanyere anyị ebe a nụnwa kemgbe 2 days ka ọ sị kpọpelu m ebe a he gave all the commissioners everybody si mepere anyị ebe a and due to love and support o nwere for o ji wee mee ya so thank you now I volunteer go we'll do it until the end because and my prayer bụ na Champions League kama na-ewere ya ibuo you deserve the experience work hard ihe ọbụla na-eme ka afọ iru gị enwenye na-abịa occasion na ha na-anụ n'azụ oge a ga-enenebezi ndị bịa mee occasion ahụ ka ọ ga-ọfụ na azama mfụ gị Chukwu ga-eme ebere nye anyị ike lesi na anyị na-ala ala inwe n'Ijipt akpọrọ mmadụ abụọ na ito join all the players erukwu oge ala ga-abịa ebe a dị 70,000 so thank you very much enwere a lot to eat drink and feast free.
Ndị mmadụ ga-enweta nwunye tata ụmụasa akarịgo ndị mmadụ ga-enweta nwunye taa ụmụasa akarịgo
when two people are talking listen sometimes I always tell young people listen brother and we find out about sign language people with the deaf and dumb will not survive okay you want to why won't you survive I want to drink water come on masị gị metụ gị aka mmadụ na-akpọ onye a kama mmasị ya na onye a metụ gị aka is it not sign language most times dedication and talent is not enough imife ya karịa discipline somebody is talking you are talking when two people are talking nobody's not talking you are not honorable but when I ask you now brother talk is honorable because everybody listens to you people are watching and whatever you know now I'm not whatever no camera get up all problem na somebody na say and can na make is one in my politicians say investor you know ihe mere in wetter help na dey be na make come when we ga but I no dey na live video because no you've done a good job and we appreciate it. Government of Enugu State appreciate it. Governor IJ Jos all due to your dedication. And from how you carry yourself, continue to carry yourself that way. The governor might say, "Can you volunteer that you should come to the government house?" Guba handshake comes with something. And we get on the Kuya, a Takinyalu ADC now. Come before you zip down a school or rather. Or you go and you governor, Madam. You say, I see your excellency because how you present your apart from being governor of Mother. And I got governor in a higher position. I know Madico. If you go chineke yourself, we will be watch. You say your excellency. The boy you see a people. Oh yeah, just CADC bring it. And we get second person engage him among with attention. Or first person, maybe first two people. So because thank you very much. Kai met up behind them. Because players here by 5.
Yes.
Up Rangers.
Never say die.
Up Rangers. Never say die. I'm 90 now. I'm stand there. I'm Okpara appreciate, but Okwi. Okay, Biko. I'm na camera. Okay. On behalf of Enugu Rangers volunteer team. I enjoy this opportunity now, thank you very much because 70% of India neighbor we are here. We're in this team because of Okpara. He made us know that there was something like this, and he gave us hope. His words strengthen us, and we promise him today that. We will not give up and we will never disappoint him. Ebobuna Rangers now, we will be there. Kobuna we will do it. So it's Kobo and Ekene, thank you very much. Pullman all I Aluta, continua.
If you are joining this live broadcast, tell us where you're joining us from, tell us where you are, and make sure you share this video. Let us join all over the world. Make sure you join all over the world, anywhere you are joining us. In the Rangers steward, the Rangers volunteer supporters have volunteered on one for a bus. I had 3 bus. So I went and said, "Dalo makisi oranye." He gave me the Bible. Why be nesu oranye? Why he ne wish Rangers? Inanye funa people na Abia State. One na Kawarunia. Every minute, neka people na Abia. So when they hear no name, but abozi. But when you want information on one year man on Enugu, boy, I say okay, how can I make about that one? Never. Yeah, Rangers na batebo zamanga. Yeah, there will be no space. So then in for volunteer, when I go which. I can get so many things I know why you must support others for you to be supported. You got bamboo. I am a room region in Moko TV, most of them here for a appropriate job or to give people information to get information, publicize their things. So I'll be here for an agar. I want to assume the Alon Makisi Ranye. They want to share video, share, now comment, now like. Tell us where you're joining us from. Tell us what you wish Rangers in the comment section.